Hey there! If you've ever managed a construction project, you know one thing's for sure. No matter how carefully you plan, things change. Design revisions, permit delays, material shortages, it's all part of the job. So here's a question worth asking. Could Agile planning offer a new way to manage all that change? Today we'll explore what Agile planning is, how it might apply to construction, and how TeamGantt gives you the flexibility to test it out, without giving up on the tools you already rely on. Agile planning comes from software development. It's built around the idea of working in short-term, focused phases called sprints, where teams plan, execute, and adjust as they go. So, how does it actually work? Agile teams use Kanban boards, a visual tool where tasks are represented as cards that move across columns like to do, in progress, and done. It's a simple way to track work as it moves through each stage and keep everyone aligned on what's happening now. It's not about throwing out your project schedule, it's about creating room to adapt when things don't go exactly to plan, which, let's face it, isn't exactly uncommon on a job site. So, could this mindset work in construction? Here's where it gets interesting. Agile uses sprints. Construction uses lookahead schedules. Short-term plans that focus on the next few weeks of work. Sound familiar? Both approaches aim to solve the same problem. Keep the big picture plan intact while managing the day-to-day work in a way that adapts to real-world conditions. So, maybe Agile isn't so far off from what we're already doing, just packaged a little differently. In TeamGantt, you can view your project in a few ways. Gantt view, that's your overall project schedule. This is what we're used to in construction, but you can also view your project in board view, where you manage day-to-day work using cards that move through stages like ready, in progress, or done. So when you're planning work for your 3-week look ahead, you can pull those tasks into an on-deck column and then manage that work and any of the phases that it goes through in your board. You can even assign completion percentages to each column, so when cards move through the phases, they auto-update. And the best part? Gantt and board views stay in sync. Update one, the other updates automatically. No duplicate work, no misalignment. Let's imagine you're building a tenant fit-out. You create a 3-week look ahead focused on electrical, framing, and drywall. Each trade gets their own task cards in board view. You run weekly reviews, move cards across the board, and adjust based on what's really happening on site. Meanwhile, your full project schedule updates in the background so you stay on track while you still stay flexible. So, can Agile planning be used in construction? Maybe. There are definitely some parallels, and tools like TeamGantt make it easy to explore that idea without overhauling how you already work. You've got your full schedule, you've got your day-to-day tasks, and now you've got a new way to manage both. What do you think? Could this approach work on your projects? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're planning for change. And if you want to give it a try, check out TeamGantt.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.